Over the next couple of months, I will be working on software development. The memory unit, or MU, has been ordered, and the last board is just being finalized. Just a little bit of tweaking I have to do, and that's about it. I have the new development boards for the processors for the Raspberry Pi and the Pico, and over the next couple of months, I'm going to be experimenting programming with them. The UI for the device, along with the core Linux software, is going to be first tested on the Pico development board. The UI is going to be made first, and because the Linux distribution I have to make requires the device tree files for the board that has not been ordered. So for the UI, I'm going to be using a software called Qt and Photoshop to basically design and build the UI. There's going to be some C++ embedded code there just for a couple of really nice features. The AI for the device will be probably worked on sometime in March. Yeah, I'm going to speed up development pretty fast. I have a couple of UI concepts, as you can see right here. Just building them right now, and I believe in the next couple of months I'm going to start building the actual UI for the device, which is going to look amazing. The prototype UI I'm going to have to build, it's not the main UI, it's prototype UI. It's going to be run on the development board so I can just get a handle of the new software. And the new software is Qt Design Studio, I believe, and it's going to look amazing. Qt is used for a bunch of devices, such as medical, all the way through car dashboards, or like the dashboard in your car. Probably have a UI or operating system there, and you're wondering, how is that made? Well, usually it's made from Qt, and I'm very excited to start working on the new software development. From January all the way through February, I'll be making the core Linux OS for the development kit. This will be so I could figure out a way to get Qt and my new embedded Linux device to basically communicate with each other. For this to happen, I have to build the OS using build roots, and as well install a couple of Qt 6 plugins. Now, when all of this is finished, I should be able to push updates via the device using a USB cable. After I get this feature finished, through February all the way through March, I'll have to get over-the-air updates using, I'm not sure, maybe Docker, and I had a different backup solution. After all this is finished, I have to start working on the AI, which is right now just going to be a text-to-text based AI. The main AI that I want will be built in the summer all the way through December, and finally, after all of that's completed and I have all the files for the main boards, I'm going to start work on the main software, or the main OS.